Okay guys, welcome back to Luke Diggs Vlogs. A couple months ago I did a Lego set video, which was the like a spaceship one. And today I have this one, the Lego Harry Potter Hagrid's Hut Buckbeak's Rescue. So I'm really excited to build it. So yeah, let's get right into the time lapse. guys, the build is over. Now let's, I'm gonna show you what we have for it. Right here is like Buckbeak's little, like cage, I would say. And then there's also a pumpkin patch. And next off for the build is Hagrid's hut. It is like technically his house. And then behind it is that, so it's a really like awesome build, and I love it so much. It's an awesome Lego set. So then for the minifigures, we have right here Hermione Granger. We have the Minister of Magic. We have this Executioner. We have Rubius Hagrid, Harry Potter, and Ron Weasley. So that's all the minifigures, and also right here we have Buckbeak. So thanks for watching my video, and see you guys next time. Bye!